Customizing your YouTube channel. Near the end of 2011, YouTube began rolling out a simplified channel layout for YouTube members. The focus of the redesign was to make individual YouTube pages look cleaner and more professional and highlight the subscription process. In the past, YouTube had allowed a lot of customization to individual channel pages, and this created a lot of really ugly YouTube pages. Early in 2012, YouTube migrated all channels to the new layout. After this, one of the things that angered a lot of YouTube content creators was that unless you were a partner with YouTube, you were very limited on what you could change or customize on your YouTube channel. Those rules have not changed, but there are some smart things you can do to optimize your YouTube channel without being a partner. There are basically two places inside your YouTube account where you can make changes and optimize your channel for the best results. Once you have logged in, the first place to start to optimize your page in the new layout is in Settings under your channel name in the upper right-hand corner. If you have worked with YouTube previously, you'll notice that everything on your account is now quite different. When you come to the Overview page, you may be invited to monetize your videos. This is not the same as the Partner program, but you may want to monetize your videos by adding ads to them. Keep in mind that if your company is primarily using YouTube to promote itself, you may not want ads appearing in your videos, since this would possibly allow inappropriate and competitive advertisers to use your videos. Also, if you're marketing to a local audience, the number of people who will be viewing your videos would be small and the income may not be very much. Now you'll want to review playback and email options. Most of these settings are just personal preference and have no particular optimization value. Under sharing, you have the option to connect your social media to YouTube. If you plan on producing a few videos a month, you might just want to do this manually, especially since Facebook only links to your personal account and not your Facebook business page. It can be handy, however, to let YouTube post to Twitter for you. Be sure to use the Share Your Activity checkboxes on the right-hand side if you do want to connect your social media accounts. Check the privacy area and be sure that the default checkboxes are as you would like them to be. The last setting is for monetization, so think again whether that makes sense to you. When you are done in the settings area, go back to the upper right-hand corner and select My Channel. This will take you to the default layout as it will seen by visitors to your channel on YouTube. Because you are logged in, however, you will see an Edit Channel button in the upper right-hand corner. Click on it. Then click on Settings on the upper right. Here you will see two primary areas that you can change in the new YouTube layout. The avatar is the image that you uploaded of your company logo at the time you signed up. If you did not, you can add it here. The other thing that you can change here is the background. We have another video on changing your background image as a strategy for branding your YouTube page, but for now, you could just select a color that ties in with your web design and logo. Partners of YouTube have the option to create a banner at the top of the page, but non-partners are limited to these choices. Now select Info and Settings. Add your title, keyword-rich description, and then in the Tags section, add your most important keywords surrounded by quotes. Be very sure to click the Visibility checkbox so that you can be found on YouTube. You will want to make your default tab a featured tab because this will allow you to display a featured video on your primary channel page. If you are a partner, you would see several other fields on the right side of this tab. Next, click on the Featured tab link. This gives you several choices on how your channel is laid out. Unless you have some reason to choose otherwise, the Everything layout should work well for you. Make sure to click on the Enable Featured tab checkbox when you're done and go back to the upper right and select Done Editing. If you have uploaded videos, you can now select a featured video that will appear at the top of your channel page. Click on the Add a Featured Video link and then use the pull-down menu of all of your videos that you can select from to add to the featured box. What's very frustrating about the documentation that you may find on the YouTube site about channel customization is that most of it is written with partners in mind. The good news is that overall, the new YouTube design is easier for people to understand and navigate. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to stop by our site to pick up the checklist for the video, which includes more information and resources.